Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make boomerang video from camera roll on Instagram. Let's open the Instagram mobile application here, and if I click on the plus icon here, and if I just go to the story or reels here, I will get the boomerang. So if I just click on the boomerang, I can only record it. I cannot make it from my camera roll. So if I just go to my gallery and if I select any of the video here, I just cannot make it from camera roll. For example, if I select any of the video here, and if I want to make this as a camera roll, this is not possible, guys. So this is in the latest feature. So basically you have to use a third-party mobile application. Just go to the Play Store here, and after going to the Play Store here, you have to search Boomerang, and here you can see a lot of third-party mobile application. You can use any of them, and you can just create your boomerang video from camera roll, and this is super easy. So if you found this video really interesting and helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.